Hi everyone, this is Teresa and I'm Carolina Bug here on YouTube. It's been such a long time since I posted a video. I know it's been over 3 years and I just lost my crafty mojo. But I've been in my craft room the past couple of weeks. I've been making some things and I just want to come on here and share this card kit that I purchased from HSN, oh my goodness, years ago, and never picked it up, never used it until the other day. And this makes 36 cards and it contains everything you need to make 36 cards except for lots of glue and a lot of tape. I used so much tape that I ran out. I think I used 2 rolls of tape. So you're gonna need lots of that. The only thing that I added that was not in this kit was some of these flat back pearls, and I purchased these from HSN as well years ago. It was a separate purchase, I think. But anyway, that's all I used on this card that was mine, was the tape, the glue, and those little flat back pearls. And this kit, I was surprised once I started making the cards how adorable they were. So I want to come on here today and show you some of the things I've made. And out of the 700 pieces, this is all I have left of the card kit. All of them are the same pretty much on the inside, and it came with all this paper. I tried to put like some kind of little element on the inside as well. I haven't stamped or put a sentiment on the inside yet. I thought I would wait until I actually send it to the person. But I love these little card kits. They're so cute. I didn't realize how cute they were until I actually started making them. And these little doilies was part of the kit as well. I did not use any inking on these or anything. I just sat down one day with my glue and my tape and this kit, and that is it. And I just went to town, just making cards. So now if I need a card for a friendly friend or either a family member, that's a girl, I'm sure she would like one of these. And there's so many different sentiments that I used. It doesn't have to be just for birthday. See, you're so special. I have another one of these kits that I purchased from HSN. I think that it's a tea party kit, and I think I'm going to open that one up soon and start working on that one. I just love these little images. See, this is a thank you card. So adorable. And this one's just thinking of you. The kit has everything, even has envelopes that you would need to send it to the person. These little girls are just so adorable. So how has everyone been doing? I hope everyone's been doing well. I've missed you guys. I kind of just lost my crafty mojo and quit making videos. I only really made cards for when I was in a pinch and needed one, or if I didn't make it, I went to the store and purchased a card. And I really don't need to be doing that because I have so much in my craft room to make cards with. I had such fun making these cards. It was a blast. I made them all in one day. It took a long time, but I would get up and take a break, cook dinner, and then go back to it. But I finished them all in one day. That was my goal. Sit down and finish this card kit all in one day. So I hope you like them. So adorable. Little teddy bear, so cute. And this one just a hello card. Now if I need a card for someone, I just go straight to this box, grab a card, and send it on its way. 36 cards, that was a lot. And this kit really didn't cost that much. And I love that everything matches and goes together. And like I said, on the inside, I tried to put, all the insides are the same. I just try to put some kind of little piece from the card kit inside as well to kind of finish it off. I would love if you would leave a comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, I really wish that you would subscribe And if you have a crafty channel, please let me know so I can come over and support your channel as well. And see, all that's left is the envelopes that they go in. And that's it. I hope everyone's doing well. I missed you guys. Take care. I hope to be posting some more videos. I've made some other things. So I'm going to try to get back at it. I'm trying to get my crafty mojo back. Hope everyone's doing well. I would love to hear from you. Please comment down below. Just say hi. Let me know how you doing. And everyone take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.